How to change language on Bluesky. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Bluesky. To do so, first of all, open your Bluesky application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top left, you'll be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 bars and from the side menu, here tap on the settings option at the bottom. Once you do so, you will be taken to the settings page. Here, you will be able to locate basics section. Under it, you will be able to see this language option. Simply tap on this language option and inside it, here you'll be able to see these options. If you want to choose the app language for default text to display in this application, then tap on this arrow at the right side of this first option and from the list here you can select one of these based on your preference. Once after selecting it, you will see the language has been changed on your application. Also, if you want to change the preferred language for translations in your feed, then tap on this arrow at the second row and then choose the language from here. After doing that, whenever you would like to convert or translate the language, you'll be able to translate the default language in your preferred language or the selected language here. So by following the steps, you should be able to change or customize language on your Bluesky app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.